So our first step today is to prime the cases that we cleaned and prepped last time. So there's a couple of ways you can do that. You can use a hand primer like this RCBS hand primer. But I'm going to use the Lee Press today with the priming die on top. So let's move over to the bench and start that process. Actually, we'll load up the primer carrier first if I can get it open. Let's get our primers in. There they all are. Give them a rattle around, they all should all flip over. First one, I set it down there. Stick it over. Right, primer's all up the right way. Get his lid back on. And we'll move over to the press.